Good morning, everybody. This is Javon Montague, owner of Montague Travel and Consulting, LLC. Originally based in San Antonio, now New Orleans is my home. A lot of you on my friends list on Facebook or my followers on Instagram or wherever you found me on social media, I wanted to connect with you on a deep and personal level. Wednesday is my birthday, October 7th. What's going on is that I teach at the Living School in New Orleans East, and there's other charities and groups that I support. So let's start in order. I work at the Living School and we're building a 3D print farm for our hydroponics and aquaponics bay to produce component pieces. They will be in the description. The donors choose will be in the description. Next, I'm working with Mr. Shoemaker for Alpha Strike for Angels Place, which is a Battletech gaming related event. Sorry, it's not Gundam. I know the giant Gundam models are amazing, but it's not that. We are actually playing the Battletech board game in the Alpha Strike format, and I'll connect it through the link in my hobby channel in the description below. What we're doing is that we're looking for components. I need an upgraded video card, I need multiple webcams, I need other components and a camera and lighting to do the event. Also, we're looking for a celebrity, whether it's a local New Orleans celebrity, a San Antonio celebrity, someone from LA, anyone in the country that wants to come to New Orleans. And if we can raise enough money to isolate you and quarantine you for 2 weeks before the event, you're more than welcome to come down to play if you're coming outside of New Orleans. Other than that, the money raised from that charity is going to Angel's Place, which is, in my understanding and the way I interpret it, the St. Jude's of New Orleans. Families that are needing money and assistance caring for their children that have life-threatening or disability, disab- yeah, in I'm sorry, it's been a rough week. So, disabling injuries. The money raised from that goes to them. The components and the things that we're reaching out for will support us, and then we'll donate either to Living School or, if I'm allowed, we'll stay with Montague Travel to support the business. However, last but not least, I own a small business. I am one of those millions of small businesses that has been deeply impacted by COVID-19 that has to restructure. As much as I like taking people to Tamiya and Shizuoka, the headquarters store, or just getting on a plane and going to Japan, that is out of the question until 2022, 2023, when the world has come back to a sense of new normalcy. And we're going to call it a new normalcy because I've never imagined walking to a bank with a mask on my face. I've never imagined having to carry hand sanitizer, mask, gloves, um, and shower every time I enter the house from going out for a hamburger or just going to go run an errand or going to work. I've never washed so many clothes in my life. So my business has been deeply impacted. And for my birthday, if you wanted to give me an Amazon gift card, great. Actually, I have a Amazon wish list. I can take PayPal donations, and I'll drop my PayPal information in the description. What I'm looking for is assistance to continue my business so I can expand. I have left from the travel game until, things have changed. But where I'm at is that I'm building a 3D print farm to provide people with things that they can use around their home. For example, headphone stands for gamers, coffee mugs, not so much, but planters and office items. So to run the business, I need more 3D printers, which are on sale. The link will be in the description below, as well as I also need filament to continue the business. So as you're watching this video, keep in mind that one, everything I'm doing is not going to benefit me, it's going to benefit the community at large that I'm trying to serve. It's going to help people that are in need of either a service or an opportunity. So please, if you're watching this and you've made it this far into the video and you've laughed at my stuttering ability, You're awesome. And keep in mind that everything I'm doing, from education to working with Alpha Strike for Angels to running Montague Travel LLC and consulting, is not to deeply impact my pockets. It's to deeply impact someone's life and change their opportunity and their perspective on the world. So thank you for watching. Yes, I'll be 41. I don't want 41 candles on a cake. I don't even really want a cake, but we'll talk about the rest later. Have a beautiful day.